Introduction to Afterpay BigCommerce integration. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. And BigCommerce is a leading e-commerce platform for online stores. Integrating Afterpay with BigCommerce enables merchants to offer their customers a flexible payment option, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Step 1. Setting up Afterpay account. To integrate Afterpay with BigCommerce, you need to create an Afterpay account. Go to the Afterpay website, sign up for a merchant account, and provide the required business information. After verification, you will receive an Afterpay merchant ID and API key. Step 2. Installing Afterpay BigCommerce app. Log into your BigCommerce dashboard. Navigate to the App Store and search for the Afterpay app. Click the Install button to add the app to your store. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Step 3. Configuring Afterpay settings. After installing the app, configure the Afterpay settings in your BigCommerce dashboard. Enter your Afterpay merchant ID and API key, and set up the payment options, such as the minimum and maximum order values. You can also customize the Afterpay branding and messaging on your store. Step 4. Testing Afterpay integration. Test the Afterpay integration by placing a test order on your store. Ensure that the Afterpay payment option is available at checkout and that the payment process is working correctly. Best practices for Afterpay BigCommerce integration. To get the most out of the Afterpay BigCommerce integration, display clear messaging about the Afterpay payment option on your product pages and at checkout. Ensure that your store meets the Afterpay eligibility criteria, and provide excellent customer support to handle any Afterpay-related inquiries. Conclusion. Integrating Afterpay with BigCommerce is a straightforward process that can help increase sales and customer satisfaction. By following these steps and best practices, you can offer your customers a flexible payment option and stay competitive in the e-commerce market.